In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Weebly subscription. Whether you're switching to another platform or just no longer need your site, canceling your Weebly subscription is a straightforward process, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the official Weebly website. Once you're on their homepage, you'll need to log in to access your account. Look for the Sign In option, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password associated with your Weebly account. After you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page again, where you'll see your site name. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. This section is where you can manage various aspects of your Weebly account, including subscription details. Once you're in Account Settings, look for the option that reads Pricing and Subscription. This is the area where you can view the details of your current plan and manage billing or plan changes. Now, if you're planning to cancel a specific service, like a website plan, you'll want to head to the My Services section. Here you'll see a list of all the services you're subscribed to. Simply locate the service you wish to cancel, and right next to it, there will be a Manage button. Click on that, and it will guide you through the cancellation process. In case you don't see a direct cancel option, here's an alternative approach. You can downgrade to the free plan. This option essentially cancels your paid subscription while allowing you to retain access to your site in a limited capacity. Just look for where it says you can move to the free plan and follow the instructions provided. Once you've decided on your course of action, whether it's a straight cancellation or a downgrade, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. It's a good idea to keep an eye on your email after this step. Weebly will usually send you a confirmation email outlining the changes made to your subscription. And that's it. You've successfully canceled or downgraded your Weebly subscription. It's always worth double-checking that the changes you made are reflected correctly in your account. Thanks for following along, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Weebly's customer support. They're there to help with any issues you might encounter. Enjoy the rest of your day.